Hi, my name's Tom. I've had bad allergies all my life, and one of the really bad symptoms I get is the itchy, the watery eyes, that I'm just rubbing away water and tears in my eyes for days, and then my eyes get all red and raw. It's no fun at all. So what I went ahead and I've tried all sorts of drops. I've tried a lot of different things, but I finally settled on these. Actually, I actually just got these from Amazon, and they work really well. They do exactly what they say. It says clinically proven, eye allergy relief, itching and redness. You're supposed to use these about once every 4 hours. You can put 1 to 2 drops in. They work great. I went ahead and got a couple different boxes because my daughter, unfortunately, suffers the same allergies as I do. So I gave a box to her, and I have a little bottle myself. I wanted to show you how big the bottle are. Just people are always worried about this. It's not tremendous, but you only put a couple drops in your eyes each time, and they do last for 3, 4, 5 hours. So you're not going to be using this bottle up in a day. It's a smaller bottle, but it does last, again, regular hand, regular bottle. This probably will last me most of the season, so maybe 2 or 3 months will be fine, and then I'll be good with it. The ones that I got expired a year or two, so they're plenty fine and plenty fresh. My daughter uses hers right before she goes to school, and then when she comes home from school, she also goes ahead and puts them in her eye. I do kind of the same thing. I put them in my eye before I go to work. Usually around lunchtime I do it again, and then I don't worry about it until later at night when I don't really need it sometimes. But then yeah, these are actually great. I've tried a lot of different things, and not a lot of them do wonders. But this Opcon-A from BAUSCH Lomb, that really does it for my allergy eyes. It really does help.